If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture. So today again I will be taking 5 questions. Question number 71 onwards, 72, 73, 74 and then 75. Okay, then let's try to solve these questions. So in 71 they are asking, in the given network the parameter K is positive, power dissipated by 2 ohm resistance is given. Power dissipated by 2 ohm resistance. Okay, so this power is given, so we know power is equal to V square by R. So power is equal to V square by R. So R is given, so you need to find V. So it will be, power is given 12.5 into R is given to 5. So V is equal to 5. V square equal to 25, so V is equal to 5. And also you can calculate I also, because I square R is also power, that is also given 12.5. So from here I square is equal to 6.25 or I is equal to 2.5. Now you need this voltage, you need this current. You got this voltage also, this voltage you got, and this current also. From what current, what will be the current direction, because this is plus, in resistor current flows this way, so this is 2.5 ampere, and this, and you know this current also you know, so you can take KCL here, so then you can easily find here. So KCL 2.5 is coming, suppose incoming I am giving positive, plus K into Vi0, so K I don't know, and V0 I have calculated, this is my V0 actually, this is V0, V0 is 5, incoming equal to outgoing 5. So from here if you calculate K is equal to, it will be half. See, the voltage developed across the 3 ohm and 2 ohm resistors are shown in figure at 6 volt and 2 volt respectively, with the polarity as marked. What is the power delivered by the 5 volt source? Power delivered, again you can see, I have already told you, if the power is flowing into the plus terminal, it is going into the through plus terminal, then it is absorbed. If it is coming out of plus, then it is delivery. So what is the power delivered they are asking. Okay, so here you can see what will be the current here, because it is 3 ohm 6 volt, and for resistance current we always think in this direction, entering through the positive terminal. So 6 by 3 2 ampere, 2 by 2 1 ampere, and it is in this direction because here it is positive, here 1 ampere. Now you see this is, you think this is as a node, so in this node 2 is coming out, 1 is entering, so what should be this current? This current should also be 1 ampere, because then 1 plus 1 2 will be entering, 2 minus 1 you can think. So we have to have a current of this, because KCL has to be satisfied at any junction, at any section. If you are doing section this one, so total incoming in this section should be total outgoing from this section. So total incoming is 2, total outgoing is 2. So that's why this branch is also 1. Now you got this one as 1 ampere, and it is flowing through this, and it is coming out of positive terminal. You can see it is coming out of positive terminal, that means it is delivering power. Okay, so what is power delivering? V into I, that is 5 ohm, and it is positive power delivery, because it is delivering, it is truly really delivering, that's why answer is positive. If it was absorbing, then delivering, if suppose it was absorbing 5 watt, then what should be delivering? Minus 5 watt. Is this one, this is primary, frequency is this one, you mark, and the secondary winding is this one, mutual inductance is this one, short circuited, grounded, single phase sinusoidal voltage source, less than that, the resistance in both can be negated. In this condition, effective inductance seen by the source. What source is seen? So this is not a coupled inductor. Coupled inductor actually it is connected, it is magnetically connected, but the idea remains same. So if I draw it, a 73, a single phase transformer, suppose I draw it, you can give your polarity mark as per your convention. That is not, suppose if I give, this is a dot, this is a dot, and I think my I1 is coming here, this is my V1. So if it is entering through this dot, it should come out of this dot, so this is my I2. Now because this is my V2 here, and what are they given? This mutual inductance is given 480 millihenry. There is L1, there is L2, and this is your M. So in this case, because this is short circuited, so in this case what you will do, so because this is short circuited, there will be no polarity, it is short circuited path, so you take KVL in both these, here also, here also. So that KVL will solve your purpose. If I take KVL here, then my V2 voltage, this voltage will be equal to, what is the voltage here? This voltage is L di dt, L di2 dt, plus there will be also voltages due to this mutual inductance. Due to this mutual inductance, some voltage will be also induced. because of this current. This is self-induced EMF in this coil, and because there is a mutual inductance, that means this inductance is coming due to this I1 effect. So again there will be a voltage due to this, and what will be this mutual inductance, plus or minus? Here it is entering, here it is leaving, so it will be minus. So minus M di1 by dt. So here V2 is 0. So if you put 0, dt will cancel. If you integrate, then it is on simply Li2 will be equal to Mi1. So then you will find a relation between L2 and I need I2, because everything should be referred in primary. We want to see from this source, from this side we want to see. So if you calculate I2, it will be M by L I1. Now what is M? M is here, this is L2, and secondary side we are doing. M is same. M is 480 by what is L2? L2 is secondary, is winding is 600 into I1. So if you do it is 4 by 5 I1. So this I got from this side KVL. So again you take this side KVL here. So if I take KVL here, again V1 will be equal to this voltage. You can do it minus V1 is equal to, you can do it that side. If you can go in either way. I am directly writing because this voltage will be this voltage. You can do KVL by using proper plus minus. Then you convert it, this is plus, this is minus. If you change that side, it will be positive. That's what I am doing. So here also this voltage will be equal to this voltage. So this voltage V1 is equal to this voltage is L1 di1 dt. And again due to mutual inductance, there will be again voltage due to this I2. And because this is, I have considered I2 in this way. In some books they will consider I2 that way. Then in that case I will be positive. So it will be di2 dt. Okay. Now if you, this one you can also, if I put it in time domain, here I have written. But if you can write it in j omega L1, you can write it also in frequency domain. So you can make it j omega L1 into x into I. So this is your I1. And this one is also j omega M I2. So now if you put this one, I2 is 4 by 5 I1, and you take I1 common and j omega common, because they are asking inductance only, j omega I1 common, then it is L1 minus I2 is 4 by 5 into M. So it will be j omega I1, which is not required. I need this one is my answer. 800 minus 4 by 5 into 480. So if you do it, you will find answer is equal to, this portion is equal to 416 millihenry. To find the current through in 2 ohm resistance, through 2 ohm resistance. So I always tell you, if you find such a jumbled configuration, which is not clearly, you are not seeing which one is series, which one is parallel. So then you mark this terminal as A, this terminal as B, because you need current through this, and you write it here separately AB, and you put 1 by 1, and one source is also there, 5 volt. Okay. Now if you see, there is a, from source positive terminal there is a 1 ohm resistance which is connected to A, and source positive there is a 1 ohm. This is not connected. Okay, this is bypass, just overlapping, they are not connected. So from source positive terminal, 1 ohm is connected to A and 1 ohm is also connected to B. So from source positive terminal, 1 ohm is connected to A and 1 ohm is connected to B. So you can think it in this way. I have a source. So from source positive terminal, 1 ohm is connected to A, 1 ohm is connected. So these two are gone. From next, and from negative terminal also, 1 ohm is connected to B, 1 ohm is connected to A. From here also, 1 ohm is connected to this. What do you think it in this way? This is 1 ohm, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1. And your resistor is connected in between these two. Now we are getting, this is your A, this is your B. So this way if you do it, now it becomes a simple Wheatstone bridge. Wheatstone bridge, all the ratios are equal, no current will flow through this, so it is 0 ampere. So the drawing is the main thing. So you draw, you separate this one AB, and you try to figure out 1 by 1. This is connected between which terminal you put it. As simple way you can put it. So from positive to 1 in 1 A and 1 in B, some from negative. Here you need to find RA and RB. So in RA, if you see this circuit here, it is an infinite series type, what you have done in geometric series or any other class 10 or 12. Suppose this type of expression you might have seen. I am writing this type of expression. plus dot dot dot. What is the simplified version? So how you solve it? You consider this is y, and if you neglect 1, then it again remains 1, because it is infinite. Infinite means you can think of ocean. From ocean, if you take 1 drop of water, it will remain ocean. So it's an ocean. If from there, if you take this, if you take plus first x out, then it also remains the ocean itself. So it also remains y itself, because so you have mentioned, you have write this one is y, then you have simplified it, calculated is y. Suppose this is 2 given. So it is, how will simplify? Then you remove first 2, then it is the same, y is repeating, so you write y, then you take square and then calculate y. So that is the idea we will be using here also. So if you see RA is here, there is a 2 ohm resistance, okay, that is connected in series with 1 and parallel with this branch. So you take 1 by 1. So 2 is connected in series with 1, which is in parallel with, I am giving double line, which is in parallel with this branch. Now you come to this branch 2 is again in series, with this branch 1, which is in parallel with this. So in parallel again 2 plus 1. So it will like this, you can see. So there is a symmetry, you can see. This one, you can see 2 plus 1 parallel, 2 plus 1 parallel. It is coming like this. So if you take the total R, if you take remove also, it also becomes RA only. So RA is equal to 1 parallel with this becomes RA. So this is the same thing that is repeating like this. So from here you can calculate RA, 2 plus 1 into RA by 1 plus R. So now you can easily calculate, it will be a quadratic expression, and x square will be equal to, it will be something RA square minus 2RA. I am directly writing minus 2 equal to 0, which will give you RA is equal to, if you take the positive value, 2.732 ohm. Similarly you can do it for RB also. So for RB, what will be the fashion? The first one, that is in parallel with this branch, and now if you go to this branch 2, it is in series with this one, which is again in parallel with this branch. So if you now enter this branch 2, which is in series with 1, which is now again parallel with, so it will continue like this, if you see. So again 1 parallel to this one is repeating, 1 parallel to. So if I take it 1 parallel and this 2, from where it is repeating you should write it y. So from 1 parallel to it is repeating, so this one is becomes y. If I take this one, if I remove this one, if I include this one, then see the phase. If you remove this one, the phase remains same. So this is become my y. So it is the same phase. Y means RB actually. I am taking out this in x, this is y. So if you can easily calculate, this is 1 parallel. So it will be RB 2 plus RB by 1 plus 2 plus RB, that is 3 plus RB. So if you solve it, again a quadratic equation, you will find RB square plus 2RB minus 2 is equal to 0. If you solve it, here RB is equal to 0.732. So obviously this is not answer, this is not answer, and RA is not also smaller than RB. This is not also smaller than RB. So obviously this one will be the answer. You can check with also this one. Your RB will be equal to, this will be equal to RA plus 1 plus RA. RA is how much? 2.73 to 1 plus 2.73. If you do this one, you will get this one. So that means your option D is the correct option. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.